Hello everyone, in this video, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are discussing about the unary operator. Okay. So basically in my previous video, I have already tell you what is exactly unary operator is. So this, we have the four, unary operator we have. So let's discuss one by one. So suppose we have written down num and just like true. Okay. So basically here we are discussing about the cout not of num. So let's see what it is. uh, logical not. Okay, logical not. Let's create num2 and write down false here. Let's see out num2. Okay, it will give 1. 0 stand for false and 1 stand for true. So this is all about the logical not operator. Okay, then we'll be moving forward. Bitwise not. Okay, bitwise not. So also I'm creating some sort of num3. Okay, in the num3, suppose you have some sorts of values, like we have this value. Okay, and okay, let me see something. Okay, this is logical not. This is called the logical not tilde bar. Okay, num3 and dull. So basically what happened what happened is in the logical not, if there is any non-zero, non-zero value, it will give you if there is any non-zero value, it will give you -1 or -2. Okay, also we can do other stuffs as well. So for example, if we are thinking bool num4 as well. Okay, no, this is a false statement. So let's write down some examples for the bitwise operator. Okay, let me find out some bitwise operator as well. So bitwise operator, yeah, you can say this. So in the bitwise operator, not only bitwise not operator I'm searching for. Okay, here as you can say this. So this is how. Okay, so what the value is 6. We have 6 and -7. So it's a ones complement. Bitwise not is nothing. It's a ones complement. So basically, in what happened in ones complement, bool 1 minute. We have value num3 and we have some sort of values here. Okay, so 10 means 2 and it will give -2. 10 means when you change 10 into the binary, you will get 2 in the decimal. Actually 10, yeah, you will get 2. When you change 10 into the decimal, you will get 2. And basically what bitwise not is used for ones complement. It will give you ones complement. So suppose I write 1 here. So 1 means 3. So it will give -3. It will give you -3. No, actually I make some kind of mistakes. No, it's kind of getting some kind of error. Let me write down. So let's run it. We'll be explaining you, I think some sorts of network issues are going on or something else. We'll be discussing bitwise note in later on videos as well. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Increment and decrement operator. Okay. So let's erase it. For the increment and decrement operator, what we have, a equal 5. Okay. C out a plus plus, C out plus plus a, C out minus minus a, C out a minus minus. Let me use handle here. Okay, so that you can understand. Okay, so it's a post increment. Post increment, pre increment. Oh no. Pre decrement, post decrement. Okay, pre decrement, post decrement. So basically, how it does it works? It will give you 5, then 6. It will give you 5, then it becomes 6. Okay, so it becomes right now 6. So once you do this, it will give you 7. Okay, you have now 7, it will give you 6. Decrease, it will decrease. Okay, and now you have 6, so it will give you 6. But right now, if if you print, a, you will get 5. So let's see whether we are right or not. Now it will give you. Okay, let's see how does it works. Yeah, 5 7 6 6 5. So oh, it's correct. I'll explain you first. It will give you the same value that it's having, then it will increase. Like it will give you 5, then it will increase by 1, so then it becomes 6, right? And now we have a, the value of a is 6, then it will increase. When it will increase, then it becomes 7. Okay, so right now we have 7. Okay, so we have right now 7, and it will decrease by 1, so we have right now 6. Okay, and right now we have 6, so whenever we decrease it, we first print 6, then we'll decrease the value, same as it happens at the post increment. It will give you the same value but decrease it uh, after that. Okay, so 6 we have, it will give you the 6, but it will decrease your value by 1. So whenever we try to print this value, it will give you 6. So that's all about the increment decrement operator. So we have some sort of doubts about bitwise knot, so I'll also try to give you the bitwise knot, because if I try to make some other sorts of video for the bitwise knot, it might be very lengthy. So bitwise no not operator example. I'm searching for some some sort of example so that I can see you the example as well. So that's all in this video. We'll be discussing about bitwise or in the next upcoming videos when we create, for the video for the binary operator as well. So that's all in this video. Hope I hope you all watched it till the end, and also consider like and subscribe and share with your friends. So bye bye. Bye bye. See you in the next.